What if everything you were taught about the center of the Earth is wrong? What if, beneath your feet, far deeper than any drill has ever reached, there's something we damn fully understand? Not just molten rock, not just iron and nickel, but something stranger. Something that could change how we understand our planet and ourselves. Tonight, we journey to a place no human has ever seen, the very heart of the Earth. According to modern science, the Earth has 4 main layers. Everything we know about the core comes from indirect evidence, mainly by studying seismic waves from earthquakes as they travel through the planet. One of the biggest puzzles is that the inner core appears to rotate at a different speed than the rest of the planet. They sometimes travel faster or slower than our models predict, taking unexpected paths through the core. It's as if they're hitting invisible structures or materials down there. Some scientists believe this means the inner core could have its own layers, a core within a core, each with unique properties. What if it's dynamic, evolving, and in a certain sense, alive? Now, let's step beyond the boundaries of mainstream science for a moment. Throughout history, and even today, there are theories, some dismissed, some debated, some quietly ignored, that suggest something more is happening at the heart of our world. Others, leaning into more philosophical territory, speculate that it could play a role in a planetary consciousness. This isn't just a modern New Age idea. Many ancient civilizations viewed the Earth not as a lifeless rock, but as a living entity. In Hindu, Greek, and ancient Mesopotamian traditions, the planet itself had a spirit, a soul, a heart. Even today, a few bold scientists speculate about what happens to matter under such extreme conditions. Could the immense pressure at the center of the Earth create exotic states of matter that behave more like pure energy than solid metal, forms of existence we can't even imagine? Is this just science fiction? Maybe, but let's not forget, black holes, quantum fields, and dark matter were all once considered impossible ideas, figments of mathematical imagination, before evidence began to mount. The history of science is filled with moments where the impossible became fact. So, what if we're looking at it all wrong? What if the Earth's core isn't just a passive heat source, a simple furnace keeping the planet warm? What if it's a planetary engine, a complex, dynamic system that actively shapes tectonic movement, drives volcanic activity, influences long-term climate cycles, We are electromagnetic beings, after all. We've mapped distant galaxies and peered into the dawn of time, but the world right under our feet remains one of the greatest frontiers of exploration. And perhaps, the Earth's core is not what we think. It might be something far more extraordinary. If you enjoyed this exploration into the unknown, like the video and subscribe for more hidden science and cosmic mysteries.